Can't tell the difference between fiber optic connectors? Learn how in 30 seconds. To distinguish connectors, look for two key features. Square head, locks in place with a push and pull. SC connector, small square head, half the size of an SC connector. LC connector, round head, metal body, secures with a screw thread. FC connector, circular bayonet style fastening. ST connector, SC connector offers a stable connection, used in both local area and backbone networks. FC connectors are highly seismic resistant, connect securely and reliably. LC connectors offer high density, stable performance, and a higher price. SD connectors offer low density, easy to install but stable. How's that? Did you figure it out?